Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base faucet website. You can claim your free line from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you claim up to 2000 Litecoin Satoshi every 3 minutes. First of all, click claim. In here needed the faucetpay username. This is not faucetpay email address or not faucetpay deposit a link. Just go in the username, go to account setting. Okay, in account setting you found your username. Okay, you found your username, you paste your username in that place and you can make in your account. Right now I go to in here solve a captcha first of all. Okay, after solving captcha, it's not too hard captcha, it's easy captcha to show you. Just click it, solve it. Solve this captcha is a 3C and sorry, it's wrong. 3C. Okay, so 2C. Okay, great. 1C, 1A, 2B, and put your username in here. 1990 is my username, and just I click get reward, and this website pay use your amount to your username. That's fantastic. And this is the Satoshi this website send me instantly to my faucet pay. I go to my faucet pay, go to user dashboard. In here I come down and show you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.